Have you ever received your tax bill and gone, oh, that's higher than what I thought it was going to be? What could I have done to bring that down? Well, this video is going to explain the benefits of pre-year end tax planning meetings and how they can save you tax now. Have you ever received your accounts and tax liability from your accountant and gone, oh my God, that is so much higher than I thought it was going to be. I need to get a time machine. I need to go back and put some more expenses in to bring my tax down. Let me tell you a little secret. You don't need a time machine. What you need is a pre-year end tax planning meeting. It's no good to close the stable doors after the horse has bolted. So why would you do this in your business? I've lost count of the number of clients that have been advised after the year end. What good is that? So let me explain to you what some of our most successful clients do. So what is it? Would you want to give HMRC more money than they're entitled to? I know I wouldn't. So a pre-year end tax planning meeting is where we will sit down with you and run through all the ways that you can legally reduce your tax bill now rather than wait until the next financial year. Now, it's not a one size fits all. What may be beneficial for you may not be beneficial for someone else, which is why these meetings are so important. Now, to give you a little feel for what we're talking about, we have actually produced a brochure called the 71 Ways to Pay Less Tax, which I will talk about a bit later on in the video. Why do it? Some clients really rely on us to tell them how well they're doing. Some are genuinely surprised with their profitability. Some of them, they're actually running a bit poorer than what they thought. So this meeting will not only highlight areas where you can improve on your business, potentially cut costs, and go through the ways you could systematically improve profitability, it will also run through the ways you can reduce your tax as much as possible, but that is still legal. Do you know what? I talk to my accountant all the time. That's absolutely great. If you talk to your accountant a lot, having good communication with them is amazing. But do they dedicate a meeting where 100% of the time is spent looking at ways to reduce your tax bill? Can't I just do it myself? Yes, you can. There's absolutely nothing stopping you from going through your figures and highlighting areas where you can improve and ways to reduce your tax bill. But the benefit of having the meeting with us is we can go through what you can and can't do to reduce your tax, but we can also suggest ideas that would be beneficial for both you and your company. When's the best time to have it? The best time to have your pre-year end tax planning meeting is around 2 to 3 months before your year end. This is the closest we can get to your financial year end to still give you time to implement any actions that we have discussed. Have you had a pre-year end tax planning meeting with your financial advisor? If so, please comment below with the best actions you took from it. What sort of results can you expect to see? Now, a pre-year end tax planning meeting isn't automatically going to reduce your tax bill. All we're going to do is run through the ideas, and it is up to you to implement those actions. Now, sometimes there's going to be a substantial tax saving to be made. Sometimes there's only going to be a small tax saving to be made. And sometimes there won't be any tax saving to be made. But without analysing your figures, how will you know? So what did we find out? So when we were employed, all of us at MDH, we'd never really heard of pre-year end tax planning meetings. They weren't really spoken about. But as our business evolved, we started carrying these out not only on ourselves, but on our clients. And we realised just how powerful they could be. So if we found it beneficial, why wouldn't you? Everyone wants to save money, don't they? How long will it take? Now, a pre-year end tax planning meeting usually takes around 45 minutes, but it could be longer, it could be shorter. It really depends on how much work you have done in prior years and how complex your business is. But if an hour of your time could give you significant tax savings, wouldn't you want to do it? If you would like to get to know how you could reduce your tax bill before your year end is up, book in a discovery call by clicking on the link in the description. Not quite ready to book in a call? Well, why not download our 71 Ways to Pay Less Tax brochure, which runs through lots of different ideas on how you can save tax before your year end. Download your free copy by clicking on the link in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where you will find lots of videos on our best practices.